Hi, my name is Chris. I'm the Project Sales Manager here at Farmstead. Today I'm going to give you a tour around our beautiful development located here in Cranbrook. Here at Farmstead we have a variety of 3 and 4 bedroom properties which are all vary in design. You have the white hardy plank, which is very in keeping to the local area. We have the traditional brick, and then we have the black hardy plank. With sustainability in mind, each household includes solar panels. This is power that's generated throughout the day and it's consumed as it's generated and offsets against your bill. Unique to this development is the house style finishes, which would be the doors and windows, which have a variety of colour, being green, black, brown or white. And now we come to our 4-bedroom show home. Let's have a look. Welcome to the Chesterton, which is our beautiful 4-bedroom show home. So within this light and spacious room, you'll find that the specification includes flooring and TV points with fast fibre optic broadband served to the property. With doors opening out to your garden. So the garden sizes to each property will vary in size, however they will all include turf and a patio area. So here in the kitchen, this is where you see the Berkeley difference. Our properties all come with a silestone worktop, induction hob, extractor fan, soft closing drawers. You have a combi microwave and oven, family oven. Over here you have your dishwasher. And here you have your dual fridge freezer. So here is the largest bedroom within the property, the master bedroom. The specification includes luxurious carpets, USB points and plug sockets either side of the bed, along with your TV points and internet connection, and then you have your ensuite. Also within your master bedroom is your bespoke wardrobe, which includes shelving, railing and a mirror. And so now we walk to the main family bathroom with its high specification of full height to ceiling tiles. You have a stainless steel bath. Over here we have a hidden gem with a store cupboard, and then just behind me we have the large shower. And so that was the 4-bedroom show home. So now let's have a look around the local area. So now we're in the town of Cranbrook, and behind me is the Union Mill, which is one of Cranbrook and the United Kingdom's oldest working mills. Here in the delightful town of Cranbrook, you'll find all your basic amenities that you need. It's located just 5 minutes away from the development. And so positioned behind me is the Cranbrook School, which is grammar and boarding school, located just 1 mile away from the Farmstead development. It has an outstanding Ofsted rating and is very reputable to the local area. The Cranbrook Farm Shop and Nursery is located just half a mile away from the Farmstead development and offers a range of local produce from fresh fruit, veg to local wines, beers and ciders. Staplehurst train station is just 10 minutes away from Farmstead and offers easy access to London and the South Coast. Royal Tunbridge Wells is a historic town which dates back to the 18th century and is located 40 miles from London and 17